Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac. Welcome to NCR India free video tutorial channel on YouTube. This is our first video regarding the C++, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to install your C++ on your system. Okay, so first of all let me tell you that guys, I have already downloaded the C++ from the link given in the description below, and you can see it, and you can even go to the link and download the file. Right after downloading the file, you'll have to extract the folder called turbo c v4.5 for Windows, right? And after that, open the folder, get the install.exe. Here it is. Open it, press yes. Now it's installing the system. Just follow these steps one by one. Press continue, close it, install.txt. I have chosen the H drive to install this, and because I'm already having this, I've already installed the software on my system in H drive. That's why it's saying the previous installation of Turbo C++ has been detected in the destination you have selected. So just ignore this, press enter. Install. That message will never come to you because you have not installed the C++ on your system yet, right? But I did in the same drive. Close it. Okay. Cancel. Yes. Okay. Now for opening a C++, you just have to see there in your programs you will be seeing a turbo c++.exe file, application file. Just press it. It'll close. It'll open the window where you can write your C++ programs. Even you can file, you can rename them, you can save as the name you want, right? So that's all for this tutorial. Bye bye, thanks for watching.